Fall isn't here yet, but it is just around the corner. Next month is October. That means all the basic white girls are already running to a certain coffee shop to grab their pumpkin spice latte. Now don't worry, I'm not going to make you drink crap like that. Well, not until at least the first Florida leaf falls in September, or when hell freezes over. This month, we're drinking bourbon and leaving the pumpkins for October. With all that being said, I am tired of the summer heat and can't wait for a change of the season. Let's start the end of summer right with a victory shot. No, it's still hot. Although I spent the beginning of the episode hating on people who ruin their coffee, I'm about to do the same. The Revolver is a coffee cocktail, and it has just enough caffeine to hide the alcohol and the hypocrisy. 2 dashes of orange bitters. Half ounce of coffee liqueur. Ounces of bourbon, but first we have to have ourselves a shot. That's pretty good. That's a Revolver. Today's word of wisdom is freedom. Freedom isn't only an ideal, it's an illusion. The original definition of freedom was the ability to make your own choice. But I think we need to update that. You see, in actuality, things have changed. For instance, there is only 2 states in the US that do not require drivers to have car insurance. So unless you live in Virginia or New Hampshire, you'll have to spend 15 minutes to save 15% or less on car insurance. But that's not how it's presented to you. No, the option is given to you, as if you can tackle this problem any way you like. But if you choose the wrong road, you can land in hot water for driving uninsured. That doesn't feel like freedom, so here's my new definition. Freedom. The choice is yours, assuming you choose correctly.
In 3, 2, 1.
Damn, Steve. Were you really impressed that ladies can handle shots too? Fuck that.